I just dropped Maya off at work. I'm so tired. I have to go to London today. Look at this plant. I cannot keep this plant alive. I water it all the time. And it just keeps looking like this. Every week it goes from alive to dead, alive to dead. I don't want to overwater it. First stop though, I have to go back to the house where I was fitting the doors yesterday. And I have to just adjusted one of the door jambs slightly. These doors are thicker. And so they're not closing on the door jambs. They're just pinching a little bit, see that? So I just have to break these off, and then replace them, move them over a little bit. Already broke these ones off. Alright, that's the job's done for this morning. Now I can drive to London. Where the striker goes in that door, the previous carpenter had cut it away at an angle, and so I had to cut it all out and put a new piece of wood back in. So it took a little bit longer than I liked, but all good now. So I need to edit these vlogs every day. I have a laptop, but I don't think it's powerful enough to run Premiere in any sort of successful way, so I think I'm going to have to take my computer with me. I'm all packed up. Let's go to London. Also this, it's like crazy hot today, and the AC doesn't work. So it's gonna be a long, hot ride. In London now, I need to order some food because I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten yet today. And then maybe skate around for a bit whilst I got the sun still. I also need to plug in my computer because I still have some work to do. I didn't realize how big this monitor was until I took it out of my office. Whoops. Yeah, that's me. All right, thank you. Thank you. You know, at some point I'll be traveling and I'll need to edit a video, but I won't be able to bring my computer with me. I'm not really sure what to do about that. I guess I'll cross that bridge when it comes to it. Just gonna go for a little skate around, try and get out of the house for a little while. You know, the great thing about skating in London is that nobody cares if you're in the pavement or on the road. No one's yelling at you. Just another maniac. See this building right there? That's the spy building where all the spies live in James Bond. I think they live there. It's London Fashion Week at the Tate. They would never let me in because, well, you know. See all along this wall people have painted hearts and put notes inside them. For loved ones, I guess. This is the COVID memorial wall. It says please be respectful, but this doesn't look very respectful, and this man's doing a wee. You see this place right there? I'm gonna tell you a story about this place. The reason I skateboarded down there was because last year I took a bunch of friends down. I was like, let's go and drink at this cool place that I know. But the problem was it was cold. And we walked for like an hour, and then at the very end it wasn't even there. So that's vindication. It looked like it didn't even exist in the first place, but it's definitely open again. I was right. Well, I was wrong, but I was right overall. I think it's time to head home. I think it's like 10 o'clock. Yeah, it's 10 o'clock. It's currently 1:30 in the morning, and I'm only just now starting the edit for this video. This is the latest I'll have posted one so far, I think, but I was so whacked I had to take a nap.